The DWOC Studio offers synchronous online appointments to graduate students year-round. Making an appointment with the consultant is easy. This video will walk you through the steps. First, make sure that you are registered with our online appointment software, WC Online. Navigate to https://mountunion.mywconline.com. Once there, click on Register and fill out the registration form. Next, send an email to the online and summer graduate consultant, Yvonne Lee. Yvonne's email address is leeyv@mountunion.edu. Please request appointments at least 24 hours in advance. In your email, please suggest 2 meeting times that work for you. And also briefly describe what you want to work on. Once the consultant has confirmed the time and date of your meeting, you will receive an email from WC Online notifying you that you have an appointment. After the consultant has confirmed your appointment, you may log on to WC Online and find your appointment highlighted in red on the Summer/Graduate Consultant line. Click on your appointment and click on Start or Join Online Consultation. You may join your appointment at any time, and we encourage you to go in and explore the space before your scheduled appointment. You will notice a toolbar at the top of the screen that allows you to control things within the workspace, including making formatting changes. Click the question mark for further instructions on how to use any of the tools in the online interface. To import the text of your project, click the horizontal arrow buttons. When you import, you will see the text of your project appear in the main workspace. Alternatively, you can copy and paste your text into the workspace. You can do this at any time before your session begins. Online appointments are synchronous, meaning that you and the consultant will work together in real time. This means that you must be present in the online appointment module at the time of your appointment to receive help. If you want to use your webcam and internal or external microphone to communicate with the consultant, it is a good idea to ensure both are working properly before your session. Also, make sure that the webcam and mic are both enabled within the online interface. If you do not have a webcam and microphone, don't worry. You can use the embedded chat box or arrange to speak by phone to communicate with your consultant. You will notice that there are numbers to the left of the workspace. These make it easy for you and your consultant to quickly locate where you are within a text. When you and your consultant are finished with your appointment, you can export the workspace as a number of different file options, including a Microsoft Word document. When your session is over, just exit the online appointment module. If you have questions about a specific appointment you wish to make, please contact Yvonne Lee at leeyv@mountunion.edu. If you have questions about the DWOC Studio and any of the services we provide, contact dwocs@mountunion.edu. We hope to hear from you soon.